Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be discussing with you all the accessories and fashion related products that I ordered from the Amazon sale going on. The sale is for winter wear and wedding wear. I got two winter pieces which of course you can use or wear anywhere you'd like. But those I would categorize more as like a winter wear. The rest of the items are all jewelry pieces, so I'll just get into it. I'll put links to all the products in my description. I don't really remember every product's like official name and the brand, so I'll just put it in my description. So this is the first one. This is a gold oxidized set. This is what it looks like. I really like oxidized jewelry. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know. And these sort of pieces, they work with a lot of different kinds of outfits. All the jewelry that I got is actually oxidized jewelry. It comes in very handy when you can't decide what to wear with like a certain outfit. And they actually, I found, end up working with ethnic wear, including suits, sarees and stuff like that, and like Indo-Western stuff, and even some dresses and jumpsuits. I'm sure you can wear oxidized jewelry with. It's very versatile. So this is what the necklace looks like closely. I really like the design, and it comes with a pair of small jhumkis. This is what the jhumkis look like. And the thing that I like about these ones specifically is that oxidized jewelry tends to be a little bit on the heavier side depending on the size and the width of the necklace and stuff like that. These are very lightweight. I'm sure you can wear these the entire day. Sometimes earrings, especially when they tend to be a little heavier, it becomes really hard to wear them throughout like a function, let's say. And Indian weddings tend to be really long. Not just the wedding, even the functions prior to the wedding, they tend to be really long. So you want jewelry that looks nice, but you can also wear throughout the event. The next thing I got was this oxidized silver necklace. This is what this looks like. I sadly could not find a silver oxidized jewelry set that I liked a lot and that had like a different kind of a design. You usually find these kinds of designs very easily, but I wanted something a little different. So I had ordered these individually. So I ordered the necklace separately and then the earrings separately. So the earrings that I got were stud earrings. This is what the first pair looks like. So these came in a set. They were a set of two. This is the first design and this is what the other design looks like. I'm wearing the other one. They're both really pretty, and I actually just ended up liking the fact that the necklace design kind of matches the earring. So you can pair these together, or of course you can wear these individually as well. The last jewelry piece I got was this pair of gold stud earrings. This is also oxidized. In the set I got a pair of jhumkis, which I like jhumkis, but they might not go with every single outfit. And I also just like having stud earrings that work with a lot of different outfits all the time. And when I looked at this pair on Amazon, I really liked the design. I thought it was really pretty, so I just had to get it. So that's it for the jewelry. And then the last two pieces I got were a stole and a shawl. The stole is from this brand called Pashtush. They make real and I think synthetic pashmina stoles, scarves and shawls, I think. This is an ultra fine wool stole. It's mostly just brown and it's got sections where there's like black lines running throughout it. It looks really pretty on, and I really like the color and I really like the feel. It's actually quite thin, the material, but it's very warm. I have used it once before and it did feel quite warm. And I just like having these small stoles slash shawl type items just draped around me. And then the last one I picked was this beautiful shawl, basically from the brand I'll mention below. You guys know, I'll leave all the links in the description down below. It's just a beautiful peachy color. It's got this floral pattern at the ends, and in the middle it's got this multicolored like linear pattern running through, and it looks really beautiful on. And that is it for this video. I just quickly wanted to get some jewelry pieces and some these kind of pieces for the wedding season. Again, like I always mention, I get the best stuff on Amazon and always the best deals as well. This one was quite an expensive one actually, I think, and I got it for a really good discounted price. And of course, the jewelry, oxidized jewelry, is not that expensive to begin with, but I'm really happy that I got these for really cheap. And these are just good classic pieces to have, including the stoles, the shawls, and the oxidized jewelry, entering into the wedding or the winter season, because you will find some use for them. They're not things that you will just buy and store in a corner in your room. I definitely get a lot of use out of these kind of items, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. I will leave all the links to all these items that I've shown you in my description box. If you like the jewelry or the stoles and shawls that I showed you, you can just click the link. I'll mention the name and the links, so you can just check out the products online on Amazon. And that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.